Voila, we back, y'all. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C1. We back at it, bro. Another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, right, I'm gonna be taking y'all down to the dealership with me. All right, we're gonna look at some of the cars, right, but we also gonna be changing our oil, our first and only oil change on the 2021 Charger Hellcat Redeye, man. We're gonna be doing that, and we also gonna be fixing our airbag. All right, y'all. If y'all don't know, a couple videos back, I made a video, man, saying, look, my airbag is not turning red, right? Like the SRT is not illuminating red. So we're gonna go get that fixed, man. Finally, y'all. All right, so look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Look, it's your boy C. Will, you heard me? Let's get to it, baby. Oh yeah, y'all. So your boy in the Jeep right now, dog. Easy work, man. I'm finna go, well, take a Uber or Lyft or whatever, right, to go pick up the Charger, man. Got the oil change done. It was at like 5,500 miles, man. That's crazy. My oil life was probably like 7%. So I get it, you know, you're supposed to change your oil at XYZ, but I let the car tell me when. So that's easy, man. So finna go get in this Lyft, dog, go back, get the car. And also our steering wheel does turn red again, man. So our steering wheel airbag does turn red again, man. So got all that stuff fixed, man. They had a recall on the Charger as well. So yeah, we finna go do that.
Yeah, driving up the hills and stuff, I think it would probably, you know, there's one city that I think I would probably prefer to have an automatic.
Damn, them boys got that damn Hellcat Redeye Challenger in this thing too. This thing look new. A few fingerprints, probably somebody kids touched on that thing. Just wanted to show y'all what they got at my dealership, man. Colorado Springs Dodge, bro. This thing look good. They got the red guts in this bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, so they got that new car smell in this thing. 20 miles. Hold up, let me just make sure. 20 miles, man. Y'all see that? This thing look crazy, boy. Ooh, I don't know if this is a 21 or not, but yeah, this thing is clean, boy. Just so y'all know it's real. Good Redeye ting, man. They don't have the red Brembos. That would have been fire. Black on the damn Brembos, man. Go crazy. They got this thing on its own mat and everything. I know they charging at least 100 for this. At least 100. Yeah, this thing brand new look like though. Hold on, show y'all the price. All right, so 2021 Challenger Redeye. Boom, 59. Asking price is 86. That's still better than what I pay for mine. And this thing is literally optioned out, man. No sunroof though. I don't know if all of the Redeyes don't have sunroofs. I'm not sure. But yeah, this thing is definitely optioned out, as y'all see. This thing's beautiful, huh, man?
Do they have an estimate on there how much speeding tickets will cost?
Nah, man, but I would guess like 100 plus in this thing, man. Speeding tickets, 100 plus, man.
I would get in some.
Man, so I actually have a Dodge Charger Redeye, but it's the same engine and everything. It's just a different body style, right? But I haven't gotten a speeding ticket yet, thank God. But hey, you know, I'll be trying to be conservative on the road, man. You know, but this thing, oh my God, I know speeding tickets galore, bro. So, oh head, probably gonna buy that thing. Ain't no telling. Yeah, they got the red interior. This thing go crazy, man. God, that black too, boy.
It's the one where they took out one of the headlights.
Yeah,
For an air intake.
just so it can be like more functional air going into the filter. Yep, that's a big filter too, brother. So
I like those things.
yeah.
Is that what you have in there?
Oh yeah, they got another little Daytona. Well, I don't want to say little Daytona, right? This obviously a 5.7 Daytona and a cinnamon stick orange, but this thing right here is clean too, y'all. Ooh, this bit look brand new. I'm telling y'all, hey, Colorado Springs Dodge, they got them things. So they want 37 base price, 2021, 49 asking price, which, ooh, and they got the sunroof, the wrap hood. Oh my God, and it's bit locked. That's how you know it's real. If it's inside the dealership and it's locked, yeah, that's when you know, yeah, it's real, man. I'm telling y'all, Colorado Springs Dodge, man, hey, y'all want something, they got it for you liking, man. I'm gonna take y'all outside a little bit too, man. They got a 2016 white Hellcat, and they also have a I don't know what year it is, but it's another Challenger Hellcat Redeye, man. Got this big Dodge right here. It look like the Power Wagon. 1500. This thing clean too. Sheesh. I'm really turning into like a truck guy, low key, y'all. Low key turning into a truck guy. So got the Rebel 49, asking for it 61. Sheesh. Today, huh? Yeah, man, I'm off today, brother. Thank God, man. Whew. Man, my first oil change type, man. Won't be the last one, I tell you that.
Yeah.
First one won't be the last one.
How long
man.
have you had this thing?
Man, I had it since March of this year, man. So from March until August, you know, I've been driving it, right? So, I mean, it has about, what, 5,500 miles on it now? Yeah. So, I mean, you know, first oil change. It is what it is, brother. I'm ready to pay the piper now, man. Yeah, so it's all good.
These things, I mean, they don't exactly bring supercar oil change prices, but
yeah, I got you.
They're not cheap though.
Yeah, far from cheap,
but
man.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Your boy at the dealership, man. Just paid for the oil change. Y'all, listen. This is the most I've ever paid for an oil change in my life, bro. I get it. They classify my stuff as a supercar or whatever, right? That's cool. You know, but look, these are the two that I didn't show y'all the first time I came here, man. Like I said, Colorado Springs Dodge, man. That's where I come to do all my service work and everything. This right here is a, let's see what we got. We got a 2020 Dodge Challenger, you know, big old stupid red eye. So me personally, I don't know. Now that's just me, y'all. Speaking from experience, I wouldn't get the red eye if it didn't have the wide body package. That's just me. You know, like being that I have a wide body now, yeah, I can't do that. But yeah, y'all, 2020 Hellcat red eye, man. That I don't know the price on it. I don't know. I assume that they taxing, cause yeah, these are going like crazy right now. So look, y'all want a red eye, man? Look, come down to Colorado Springs Dodge, man. I hope these dudes right here don't try to talk to me, cause I got a car already and I'm not trading it in. Got another one right here, 2016 Hellcat. This one's clean though, man. Got the red Brembos right there, all that good stuff. Look like the roof is wrapped or something like that. I don't know. It's wrapped, man. Actually want to get me a truck, for real, man. This thing's still clean though, man, for real. They go crazy. Look like they tried to tint out the side markers already. I imagine this right here is locked. Hold on, let me see something. Yep, it's locked already. But yeah, I wish they had the price on them, just so people can know what they looking to pay. But yeah, man, they got these two beauties outside, like Oreo cookies, man. Yeah, the white thing and black thing. I really wanted the black red eye whenever I got mine in Hawaii, y'all, but it is what it is. Yeah, they got a couple things out here though, man. Couple things outside, couple things on the showroom floor, and my baby is in the damn bay right now, man. Ooh. Oh yeah, let's get to it, man. Your boy C Will. Trying to handle stuff on my day off, man. I'm gonna let y'all know how much this oil change was too. This bit was stupid, man. And my baby got the first oil change. Like I said, Colorado Springs Dodge, man. Y'all want something, y'all need something, you got a Mopar, I would take my stuff over here. Scheduling the appointment was easy. Everything was online. Boom. Light work, man. Oh yeah, come on, man. Easy work, light work, slight work, man. Give y'all a little cold start, I guess. Maybe a warm start. I'm not sure what it's gonna be. Ooh-wee. This bitch sound good. My baby, man. That's what all the hard work for right here, man. All the hard work come down to, man. At least for me. Some people get a house and all that. I get it, right? But me, I'm in the cars, man. That's what I'm into. Oh my goodness. That SRT 10 right there, that thing clean too. SRT 10. I'm telling you, Colorado got them things too, boy. Ooh. And we out of here, man. Let me show y'all the damn steering wheel. I hope it's still lighting up. Well, during the daytime. I don't know if it lights up in the daytime, y'all. But my boy Todd said it's a little dim during the daytime, man. We'll see though. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how I look at night too. Obviously, y'all should know. So it's not lighting up as of right now, y'all. Obviously it is daytime outside, but I'm gonna show y'all how I look whenever it's nighttime. They did change out the airbag, y'all, so I'm pretty happy about that. They told me I couldn't keep the other one because they had to send it in to I don't know, the Dodge manufacturer, and they had to do the stuff with the warranty, right? So I couldn't keep it, right? I was gonna give it to one of my subscribers, or at least sell it, y'all, for like $100, $150. The dude said, look, this airbag was like $1,000. Guess because it lights up and stuff, y'all. So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how this thing light up at night, man. Feel like since the oil change, man, like the car definitely sounds a lot better. Like it feel like it's running smoother too. Like sheesh. Yeah, go crazy, see, Will. But I ain't gonna go too crazy, man. Yeah, good scenery out here too, though, y'all. Great scenery out here, man. So yeah, I'm finna head back to Fort Carson, man. Head back to base. Get some stuff in my uniform, man. Gotta take my soldier to the board on my off day on Friday, dog. Fuck. But hey, that's what we do, man. So yeah, your boy live a crazy life, y'all. Crazy life, man, for real. Yes, sir. Yo, I just wanted to show y'all, man, this mountain view I have, man. Look at the view, dog. In Hawaii, bro, hey, you ain't gonna get this. All right, look at the view, man. Just driving casually, right? I don't know if it's the highway or whatever, man, but look at the view, man. I might stay here, y'all, about 3 years. I'm originally here for 2, y'all, but man, with this kind of view, the mountains in the back, man. Oh my God, it's crazy, bro. Look, boom, got some more down there too. Golly, I like Colorado, y'all. I can't even lie. I just heard that it hail out here, man, so the car might get messed up, depending I don't have a garage, right? But yeah, man, look at that. Good God, man. Go stupid, see, Will. This thing go crazy, man. Ooh. All right, CEEFAM. So walking to the whip, man. It is nighttime, right? Got the oil change done today. Had like another part replaced on the car. I guess it was like a recall. And then we ended up getting our airbag fixed, man. So the SRT on the airbag does light up red. Finally, man. You know, what use is it, right? Paying for a car if you don't have all the right features, man. And that was really important to me. I like how it looks at night, you know, dim red, right? But let me get a little start up, man. Then I'll show y'all the red SRT on the inside, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Let's go see Will. Oh, your boy. All right, we ain't, look, y'all can already see it already, you know. Boom, wait till the lights go off in this thing. And voila, we back, y'all. This baby was fixed, man. It took a long time, bro, just for the airbag to come in and all that, y'all. But look, we really back right. We are back right, man. You know, this right here brings a whole nother dynamic to the inside of the car, at least to me, man. You know, I'm really big on the looks and the aesthetics or whatever, right, of the car. So yeah, man, this was really important for me. Even if this right here is like really even if this right here is really dim, right, you can still, boom, look at that, boy. That SRT make a big difference, man. You know, you holding your girl hand, and then yeah, she see that SRT, she like, oh yeah, my boyfriend a big dog. Yeah, this ain't no RT or a scat, man. Look, no disrespect to them, right? Like, I had a RT, I had a V6, so I know how I feel, man. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, man, the inside of this thing, how it look now, because ooh, we back in business, man. So yeah, today was really productive though, CEEFAM. For real, oil change, got the airbag installed, man. It took them literally like a day and a half, man, to do everything. Oil change on this thing, y'all, was super duper dumb expensive for no reason. Well, it is for a reason, right? The fastest sedan in the world, basically, 4-door sedan, right? Whatever. So yeah, man, look, I appreciate y'all for stopping into the boy video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Now, y'all, I'm really just posting whenever I have time, man. You know, I definitely appreciate y'all patience, man, and all that, bro. Staying up to date with the videos. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, look, all that stuff, man. Links will be in the description. Boom. Holla at your boy, man. But yeah, look, I'll holla at y'all later, man. It's your boy C Will. We out this thing, baby.